Hello, Mathmasters! This is Guidan. Here, we get to add two of my favorite things, gaming and math. You may not have thought about it, but Minecraft is chock full of math. Thinking in one, two, or three dimensions, even engineering and programming basics. This episode is about math, but in the description there is a link to a video with a step-by-step guide to building the redstone contraptions we use for you to be able to build in your own Minecraft worlds.
Today, we're going to talk about... Before we get started, I have to answer a question from one of our in-house teacher reviewers. Today's comment comes from our reviewer, All Is Wells. What is an ATM? Can you put money in as well as take money out? Great question, All Is Wells. An ATM is an automatic teller machine. A teller is someone that works at a bank and helps customers cash checks, make transfers between accounts, make payments, and the really cool ones have lollipops. Sometimes you can't go into a bank. Well, ATMs are places where you can log into your account and do lots of things that you could do inside the bank. Take money out, move money between accounts, and put money into your account. In the last video, we took a little money out of the ATM to put in your pocket. Today, we're going to totally empty the accounts in the ATM and put everything in chests for storage. So the redstone will be all new. One of the great things about math is that it can help you see patterns in things, most of the time. Addition questions look like this. Subtraction questions look like this. Multiplication questions look like this. However, long division looks like this. As a result, learning long division really frustrates a lot of Mathmasters. If you're one of those Mathmasters, take a deep breath and approach math like it's drama class. How can you play out a long division question in a way that the steps start to make sense to you? Minecraft really does help there. Imagine this. You've been a busy Minecrafter. You built projects, mined, and farmed all over your Minecraft world, but you could never find all of what you need. So let's split up your resources between your two old bases and your new base. In your first base, you have 20 ingots of gold. In your second base, you have 1 ingot of gold. Let's go to the ATM at the first base. Flip the lever. 2 stacks of 10. How many times can you put 10 into each chest? You can't. You only have 2 stacks of 10, not 3. So no gold goes in yet. So let's cruise over to the other base. Flip the lever. 1 ingot. This is a lot to sort. Let's sort it out here in your inventory. 7 in each chest. Let's do another one, just to make sure you've got it. Imagine this. You've been a busy Minecrafter, you built lots of projects, mined and farmed all over your Minecraft world, but you still can't find all of what you need. So, you split up your resources between your 3 old bases and your new base. In the first base, you have 500 ingots of gold. In your second base, you have 20 ingots of gold. In your third base, you have 4 ingots of gold. So, let's go to the first base. You flip the lever of your ATM and make it rain. There, you have 10 stacks of 50. 10 times 50 is 500. Unfortunately, in Minecraft, it won't let you have a stack of 100, so it's easiest to show it this way. There are 4 chests, 1 for each base. You can put 100 into each chest. Can I put another round of 100 into each chest? Nope. So let's hold on to those and go to base number 2. Flip the lever on the ATM. Good, but not as satisfying. There are 2 stacks of 10. Let's make these stacks of 10 there. Now, we have 12 stacks of 10. So let's go to fill up the chests. Here are some for chest number 1. Keep going and going and going. I can put 3 stacks of 10 into each chest with none left over. Nice. Over to base number 3. Flip. 4 ingots. Wow, I can retire now. 4 chests. So, what do we have in each chest? 100 ingots, 30 ingots, and 1 ingot, or 131 ingots. Congratulations, Mathmaster! You just did 2 long division problems using what teachers would call the standard algorithm. That's just a teacher way of saying the usual way. Don't believe me? In the first example, you had 20 plus 1 ingots, or 21 ingots, and you were dividing over 3 bases. Each number in the dividend under the division, quote, house, is a pile of gold. Each chest is a divisor. Divisor sounds like a big robot that cuts up the dividend, does it? So it may help you to remember the sound of divisor. Mathmaster question. How many gold ingots can you put into each chest that goes over that base? Mathmaster question number 2. How many gold ingots do I use filling those chests? Mathmaster question number 3. After I put equal amounts into each chest, how many do I have left over? There's math hidden in each one of these questions, but the part of your brain that likes doing things more than sitting down with a math question will guide you on your way. Pro tip, do you realize it doesn't matter if your first guess is right? Crazy, I know. That's because the math will tell you if you try too many or too few. Just erase and try again. Just keep going. Let's review the footage in Math Vision. Check out how the question on the right follows the wild Minecraft math mania on the left. 21 divided by 3. Watch. 20 plus 1. At the 2 tens, you could not divide the chests with stacks of 10, but with 21 stacks of 1, you could fill up the chest with 7 ingots with none left over. Boom. 21 divided by 3 is 7. I hope this video has helped you out. This may be the type of video that you need to watch over and over a few times just to be sure you've gotten the Mathmaster way of looking at the problem. If you have any questions, or if it has helped you, I'd love to see it in the comments below. If you'd like to see more content like this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Remember, in the description, there's a link to the redstone tutorial for this episode that covers redstone clocks, switches, and dispensers. Until next time, this is Guidan. See you next time, Mathmasters.